Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode today, guys. This mystery box is gonna be $2,000 from solsteals.com, and that box is actually right over here. So we'll be opening this up really quick, but before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Otis. Otis is an alternative investment app that allows you guys to buy and sell shares of culturally relevant pieces. And if you guys are familiar with the channel, we've talked about Otis a few times in the past, but what I gotta say is that Otis is continuing to push the envelope every single time with their new updates and new drops that are happening on there. And one of the cool assets that you can invest in that I thought was pretty dope was an NFT. And I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, I'm not an expert at NFTs. I literally only know the basics about NFTs, but what I can tell you for a fact is these NFTs, they're going crazy right now in terms of value. And Otis actually has a CryptoPunk now that you guys can invest in instead of spending, let's see what the price is, $772,500. So yeah, definitely I cannot invest in that straight up, but what's nice about Otis is you can buy and sell shares of it, and if that NFT goes up, then I have the potential to make more money on my investment. And again, I'm not a big expert on NFTs, maybe it's not for you either, but that's why Otis is dope, because they have a bunch of different things on there as well, like things that you probably know, like sneakers. They got this 1985 metallic Jordan over here, so there's definitely something for everybody on that app, and I highly recommend you guys go download it. It is available for download on iOS or Android devices for free, and because Otis supports the Untied Hawaii channel, they are hooking up the Untied Ohana with a free share when you guys fund your account. So make sure you guys use that link in the description. You guys will get a free share from Otis when you guys fund your account. Use that link in the description below. Sign up for Otis today. So now we can actually get into the beater box today, guys. Again, this is $2,000 from Solsteals. I know a lot of you guys actually cop Solsteals boxes on that super massive drop they just did recently. So if you guys were able to cop a box in there, and if you guys are able to get it in by now, please let me know in the comments what you actually got in your box. Was it a banger? Was it not? Because I mean, that's half the fun, dude. Every box is different. I want to see what you guys got as well. Anyway, let's see what we got in here today. First thing I'll grab is my favorite Jordan box. Jordan 1 box in a size 10. You can see that. And for the shoe, okay. We're starting off with not a bad shoe at all. And it is in dead stock condition. It is the Jordan 1 satin black toe women's edition shoes. Again, it is the satin black toe, so back here I guess this is made out of a satin material, but for the rest of the shoe it's all leather, so literally the only thing that's satin is back here. But this thing is going for a lot less than the original black toes, which is kind of crazy. There's some very subtle changes on this, but honestly, if you don't want to spend the black toe money but want a black toe shoe, this is a pretty good alternative, man. So this is a nice one to start off the box, and if you guys do want to cop this, it will be on untiedhawaii.com. You guys can head to the website over there. The next shoe out is this one, another Jordan 1 box, except this one is a mid. Jordan 1 mid size 9.5. So this is a mid royal, I'm guessing, a Jordan 1 mid royal. This might be in brand new condition as well, which would be pretty dope. And it is, so another dead stock shoe right here. I want to say that this is the royal colorway. I mean, it does look pretty much like a Jordan 1 high royal. It does have that deep royal blue over the top. Again, this one is in DS condition, so no toe box creasing, doesn't look like it's ever been laced up, and the bottoms are immaculate pristine. So that's a good back-to-back DS shoes. Obviously, as you guys know, with dead stock shoes, they move very, very fast because they are brand new. Some people just can't do worn shoes, which I understand, but if you guys do want to save some money, worn is not a bad way to go. Next out, let's grab this Jordan 6 size 9. Oh, okay. This one might be a dead stock shoe too. 3 brand new shoes in a row. That's awesome. Might be a new record. This one is a pair of the Jordan 6 Carmines though. If you guys are OG sneakerhead, you guys know this is a grail for a lot of people. Like I mentioned, it is in DS condition, and I believe this was the re-release, so this recently just came out again. Yeah, I don't see any damages on this at all, and thankfully, because these bottoms are this blue color, you can tell if dirt got on it right away. All right, let's start picking up the pace a little bit, guys. We got another Jordan 1 box over here, size 9.5, and I think I know what this one is. Yep, this is a pair of those Tokyo, I think they're calling it the Tokyo 2020s or something like that. And as I'm looking at it right now, I'm realizing I'm holding another brand new shoe. So that is great to see. And this shoe actually has some pretty cool features. So on the back, you can see over here, it says 2001 and 2020. 2001 was the original release date for these sneakers, and they were a Japan exclusive at the time. So that's why they're called the Tokyos now. 4DS shoes, what in the heck is going on? This is the complete opposite of the last box. I think the last box we got only U shoes. This is only DS shoes so far. Next one out is a size 6.5 Nike Zoom Fly. Don't like that. It is off-white though. And for this one, wait. There is no way, dude. There's no way. I'm confused. This is called a beater box, but there's been no beater so far. This might be the first time I've seen 5 shoes in a row, all brand new. This one right here is from the original, the 10 collection, and I'm assuming it is brand new because look, they have this tag still attached over here. I don't see any flaws on this either. There's no like sock-lint on the inside. Bottoms perfectly clear, no cuts on the upper. So again, this is another brand new sneaker. And although the Zoom Flies aren't super popular for the Off-White collection, they're probably like one of the least popular, to be honest. These things still hold value because, I mean, it is an Off-White. So we know there's gonna be money out of this, and I don't know, this is crazy so far. Can we make it 6? Can we make it 6? Oh, I missed a pair. This is a pair of, okay, well, here's the one that ruins the streak, I guess. It's a pair of loose shoes over here. And this is a size 10. I'm assuming it's a Jordan 13 in like a royal colorway as well. It has that same deep royal blue over here. But this one does look to be in worn condition. So the streak is over, but 5 shoes is still pretty good. This one doesn't look to be in the worst condition either. It looks to be slightly worn. Inside, there's not a lot of sock lint. Bottoms, okay, yeah, so the bottoms you can tell for sure it's been used. It's a little bit of dirt on here. So this should hold at least maybe $100, mid-$100 value. 3 shoes left in the box, and I don't know, for $2,000, I mean, that's a lot of DS pairs, so that's good value, but I haven't seen any like grails or bangers yet, so maybe we're missing something so far. This next one is a size 5.5 Jordan 1, so a kid size, and boom. This is a big one, dude. This is a big one. What year is this though? I think this is the 2013, which would not be good. No, it's a 2015. What? Is it the 2015? Oh gosh, I think this is the 2015 Chicago ones, guys. Oh man, this could potentially be a huge sneaker. Wow. And okay, so let me show you this. It was going for $959, dude. So $959, that is pretty insane. Jordan 1 Chicago, you guys know what it is. Very iconic, and it still has that StockX tag, so it hasn't been worn since this person bought it. Such a fire sneaker and a grail for so many people. So iconic, very easy to move. I am impressed with this. We were just talking about we need some bangers in the box, and then it comes through. Let's see, 2 more. Let's hopefully get some more value out of this. Next one is a size 8.5 Air Force One Low collab with Supreme. That's not good. So before I open this, you can see this. Got a huge cut in the box. That is not good, but hopefully it doesn't like ruin the value of this one. So I think this one was tried on. It is a pair of the Supreme Air Force One lows. This one though, it does look like it was tried on in store because you guys can see a little bit of like dirt on the bottom over here. But when you guys look at the top, I don't see any creasing over here. And as you guys know, there is a Supreme logo over here. I think that's the only Supreme branding other than like the insole as well. And I guess over here on the AF1, like Dubray, does say Supreme again. So those are the only brandings, very subtle. This one, however, it does have a huge tear in the box, so you can't say it's completely like flawless. Obviously that that's a big cut. And I'm assuming what happened here is when they were opening up the cardboard box, he like cut into it too deep and ended up cutting the actual box. So yeah, don't do that, guys. Be careful when you're opening up shoes. All right, so we got one last one over here. It has a big Jumpman over the top, and this one does have a Fragment logo. And I'm not sure if this is the 3s or not, but let's see what we got. What in the heck is this? What? Check this out on the back. I know that discoloration happens usually with like this plastic kind of stuff, but look at how bad this discoloration is. I've never had a pair of these and I've never seen a pair up close, but I'm not sure if this is normal or not. I would assume not. It's basically like neon yellow, which is very weird. Rest of the shoe is perfectly fine though. Like when you see over here, no creasing over the toe box. I don't see any sock-lint in the shoe. This is the only flaw, I would guess. And the other one is also like that too. So I don't know what the heck happened here, but oxidization or whatever it's called probably happened, and yeah, it messed it up a little. It is what it is though, and so you can probably still sell this just with like a factory flaw, so that's okay. Anyway, this was a very interesting box, man. Like, I don't know how to go about grading it. Like, it's so strange because there was so much like DS shoes in here. It might be easy to like quick flip everything, but actually if you hold some of these shoes, the value might be higher down the line, because the thing with like used shoes, you can't really hold them for a very long time because value moves very slowly on that, even if they are like hype. It's just because the market for used shoes isn't that great. But for new shoes, I don't mind holding some of these. Like that Jordan 1 Chicago, I might end up holding it. It might be worth it, it might not. I gotta check like the numbers and stuff and see how it's going. But overall, I would say this box was a huge success. Very crazy to see, and a lot of great shoes on here, and they will be located on the website at untiedhawaii.com. So if you guys do want to cop, they will be over there. Thank you guys so much for coming through on this video. If you guys did enjoy this, don't forget to hit that like button before you guys leave. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot.